If you put this in your house, after an hour you will not see flies, mosquitoes, or any other flying insect again. After I started using this trick, it's been a while since I haven't seen a fly or mosquitoes in my house. Today, I will show it to all of you so that you can also take advantage of it. To perform this trick, we will need a large bottle of soda. If you have a full bottle like this, it could also serve you for some other tricks, such as cleaning the rust from your tools. Next, we will do a test. First, you add the liquid until you completely cover the rusted part of your tool. Leave it there for a few minutes so that in that time the soda can act. After that time, remove your liquid tool and you will be surprised at what the soda can do to the rust. Another trick you can do with the soda is to clean the stains from your soap. Just water it all over the bowl and let it act for a few minutes. Then take your soap brush and start rubbing. Then unload the soap and you will notice how the stains will have disappeared. Now let's get to know how to do the trick with the soda container, so we can get rid of mosquitoes, flies, and other flying insects. We will take the empty plastic bottle of soda and cut it in this part. Take advantage and let me know from which country you are watching me so I can greet you in a next video. Today's greeting is for Lydia Tumana from Costa Rica and for Martin Zamora from Mexico. The next step we will do is to heat half a liter of water for 10 minutes. After that time, turn off the fire and then add 4 tablespoons of sugar. Let it cool and then add 2 tablespoons of yeast. Stir so that everything mixes well. The next thing you should get is a piece of black cloth or other type of garment that you no longer use. What we will do with the black cloth is to wrap the container as follows. Then we place the part of the plastic bottle as if it were a funnel. We add the mixture, but this cannot exceed the nozzle of the funnel, and now I will explain why. This mixture has a useful life of 15 to 20 days. During this time, it will emanate small amounts of CO2, which is precisely what we emanate, and that attracts mosquitoes to bite us. In this way, the mosquitoes will enter the container little by little, ending up trapped in it and without any other way out.
Forma de salir.